Imagine turning your phone into making money machine. No skills, no capital, and you don't need to leave your home. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn in dollars from your phone using free AI tools. Even if you have not made money online before, this work worldwide in 2025. By the end of this video, you are going to know the best AI tool which you can start using in this 2025 and start making massive money for yourself. Meanwhile, if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel, I am NupeflaverTV, and in this channel, I talk about how you can make massive income for yourself and also side hustle, and also how you can be growing your business. So if that sounds so interesting to you, I want you to subscribe to this YouTube channel. If today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next we drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now, let's go dive into it. But before we talk about that, let's talk about earning in dollars. What is the advantage of earning in dollars? If you are earning in dollars, if you are in Nigeria and you are earning in dollars, or you are in Africa, you are earning in dollars, and you convert that dollars into your currency in Nigeria, here you see that if you're earning in dollars, if you convert that dollar to Nigeria currency or any currency you are using in Africa right now, if you convert it, you see that it will take you a long way because it's going to be a big money for you, a massive money for you. So that is why it's good to earn in dollars. It's also a big opportunity to be working with a company that will be paying you in dollars. So in this video, I'm going to show you the full detail and also method which you can start using in this 2025 and start earning in dollars even at the comfort of your home. Even if you are a student or you are working, you can still use this free AI tools which I'll be showing you in this video and be making massive money for yourself. Now let's get started. I'll be telling you 3 jobs which you can be doing right now with AI and be making massive money for yourself. The first one on our list is what we call content writing. Yes, you can be writing content right now in 2025 with AI and be making massive money for yourself. And which kind of AI will you use? I know that is the question you are asking yourself. Now you can use ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is going to be writing content for you which you are going to be making money from it. And you don't need to stress yourself. All you just need to do is just to go to chatgpt.com and you register on ChatGPT. After you register on ChatGPT, just give ChatGPT a prompt of a content you want ChatGPT to write for you, and ChatGPT is going to write everything, such like writing blog posts, such like social media caption, a lot of things you want ChatGPT to do for you. Even coding, ChatGPT is going to do it for you. You can consider content writing with ChatGPT as one of the first job you can be doing right now in 2025 and be making massive money for yourself. Now the second one on our list today is what we call graphic design. You can be doing graphic design job in 2025 with the use of AI without paying for anything and be making massive money for yourself. Yes, you can do it. A lot of people don't know that you can now use AI to do graphic design and be making money for yourself. You can be using it to do logo design, you can be using it to do flyer, and a lot you can be using it to do so. So you can try Canva. Canva will work for you. All you just have to do is just to visit canva.com, and when you visit canva.com, you register, you sign up your account. After you register, you are going to see where you are going to be designing logos, where you are going to be designing flyers. You're going to see where you are going to see a different type of template which you can be using to design different type of graphic designs which will make you massive money in this 2025. So you can also try Canva, which will help you to do graphic design online without paying for anything, without doing anything, without even having the skills. This AI will put you through so that you can be doing graphic design for people and you'll be making massive money for yourself. Now the third one on our list is what we call video creation. And video creation, you can also now do video creation with the help of AI. You don't need to start recording your face or do anything. We now have different type of AI which will help you create your own video. You don't need to do anything. You just give the AI your prompt, how you want the video is going to be, and AI is going to generate the entire video for you from the beginning to the end. And you can use different type of AI, just like Lumen 5 AI. You can also use InVideo AI. Those AI can help you generate video from beginning to the end just by giving him a prompt. Just tell the AI the kind of video you want, and the AI is going to generate the entire video for you from beginning to the end. And you can be doing this for people. When people tell you they need this kind of videos, all you just have to do is just to collect the text of the video they want, and you give it to this AI, and this AI is going to help you generate the video without doing any hard work. All you just have to do, just copy the text how you want the video to be. You tell ChatGPT will also help you generate the script of the video. Then you give it to this AI, and this AI are going to help you generate the video from beginning to the end, and you can be making massive money from it. I know the question you'll be asking that now, if you can create these AI videos you are seeing, or you can write content creation script. The one I talk about with ChatGPT, or the third one, which is video graphic design. How can you make money from it? Now I will tell you how you can make money from it. That is where you need to watch this video to the end, because in this next step I'm going to tell you how you are going to be selling this thing and how you are going to be making massive money from it. So that is why I told you to watch this video to the end, because if you skip a part, the part you skip may be the most important part you need to watch. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Now, after you have successfully know how to do your content writing, or you know how to do video editing, or you know how to do graphic designing, you have know everything, you have learned how to do it with the first step I just show you right now. Then the second step is how can you sell this product? How can you sell these skills that you have know how to do? How can you sell it? Now, to sell this thing, that is what we call freelancing. And to do this, you need platform like Fiverr or Upwork. Yes, there are a lot of platforms that you can sell these skills to, which people are there looking for people who can do this thing for them. And if you can register on those platforms, you are going to see clients, you are going to see companies, you are going to see people who are looking for people who will help them to do content writing, who will help them to do graphic design, who will help them to do video making. So you can just go to Fiverr or you can go to Upwork. All you just have to do, you sign up on Fiverr, you register your account, you set up all your gigs, and you are going to find people who are looking for this job. You offer, you deliver what they want, and they are going to pay you. And you can also try Upwork. Yes, Upwork also work. You are going to see clientele, you are going to see company people who are looking for this job, and you do the job for them, they are going to pay you. I also have a video in this channel which I teach you how you can register on Fiverr, in this channel on how you can also register on Upwork. You can check this channel, you are going to see those videos, or you can comment in the comment section of this video and ask me about the video, and I'm going to send you the link to those videos, or I'm going to send you the video so that you can watch the video and see how you can start to register on Fiverr, and also how you can register on Upwork and get clients which you can be working for, and they are going to pay you your money. Now, I know the next question you will be asking, that which payout or how will they pay you? Yes, in Canva or Upwork, they pay through Payoneer, they also pay in PayPal, they also pay through wire transfer. Yes, you can get your money through wire transfer, you can get your money through Payoneer, you also get your money through Green. And if you don't have any of these accounts I just listed right now, I have a video in this channel which will teach you how you can create a PayPal account, and you get your own account number. I also have a video in this channel which will teach you how you can get a Green account which you can be using to receive money in any country you are in the world. Even PayPal account, I have a video on that. So you can check this channel and you are going to see those videos. You watch the video, and this video will put you through how you are going to get your own account detail, so that when you want to withdraw your money, you can use any of the account, PayPal, Payoneer or Green. You can use any of the account or wire transfer, and you get your own money paid to your own account, which you are going to convert it to your local bank account and start spending your money. You can also use your social media account and be doing this job for people, and you'll be making money. I know the question you will ask is, how can you use your social media account? Yes, you can go to Facebook. You can join a lot of groups and you offer your service. You tell people, you post on the group that this is what you offer. You can do content writing, you can do graphic design, you can do video making, and there are people there, they are going to chat you privately. Then you chat with them, you talk about the deal with them, you talk about it with them, then they will give you the job, you do the job for them, and they are going to pay you. You can also create a TikTok account, you upload things you can do, your videos, you make a videos on how you are doing your graphic designing, on how you are doing your video editing, all those things. You post those videos. When people see it, they will reach out to you, they will communicate with you and tell you to do the job for them, and they are going to pay you. And you can also use your WhatsApp account. You create a WhatsApp group, you start posting on your WhatsApp status, and when people see what you can do, they will start patronizing you, talk to you that you should do the work for them. And if they do, and if you can be able to do the work for them, they are going to pay you. So in this 2025, you don't need any skills, you don't need any capital to start earning dollars in 2025. So if you want to earn dollars in 2025, you can follow this method I just tell you in this video right now and start working with it, and you'll be making massive income for yourself every month. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button, so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you on my next video.